Hi, this is Bob from the Free Film Channel, and today we're going to be profiling a Sony 8mm Handycam from the past. This will be a great camera for a budding filmmaker or someone that just wants to experiment with vintage filmmaking and video. This was an 8mm camera from Sony, and it's pretty cool. It's modeled after a film camera. You can see the eyepiece here. The eyepiece is like a film camera, and it's kind of sleek like a film camera. And this model is the FX230 Sony Video 8 Handycam. I got this camera off of eBay for $9, and basically I'm going to show after my introduction of the camera right here. After this, I will be showing some actual 8mm footage from the customers or people that sold me the camera, because they left their tape in there, and maybe people shouldn't do that because they're selling their camera and they forget. Maybe they don't want the tape anymore. They don't want this old technology. Anyway, you'll be seeing 8mm video after my little spiel. So if you like this video and you want to see more vintage cameras and vintage video cameras and ideas for filmmaking, subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. Thank you very much, and until next time, have a great day.
Hi, Booger. Going up there for? Huh? What is it? What is it?
Yeah.